Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by establishing the foundations. Add the viewport meta and adopt a mobile-first mindset so styles scale naturally. Use fluid units like %, rem, and VW for layouts and font sizes because they adapt across widths. Install a simple CSS reset and create a base type scale to keep rhythm consistent. Once done, scaffold a flexible grid and test a few breakpoints. This early work prevents rewrites and makes later components far easier to adapt. Next, you construct the page using Grid and Flexbox so elements reflow instead of overlapping. This gives precise control without brittle hacks. Make components self-contained with max width and padding rules, and serve responsive images via SRC set and sizes so bandwidth matches device. Use media queries driven by actual content changes rather than device names, and combine them with container queries when available. Make sure to test on narrow, medium, and wide viewports to catch layout shifts early. Finally, you polish interactions, enlarge touch targets, tune spacing, and ensure font scale at larger viewports so readability remains constant. Audit performance by lazy loading images, compressing assets, and trimming unused CSS because speed affects perceived responsiveness. Validate accessibility, keyboard navigation and color contrast, and run real device tests. If layout breaks, inspect computed widths and remove fixed pixel widths. As a troubleshooting tip, enable outline borders to reveal overflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.